Hello friends, welcome to the Tiles of India YouTube channel. Let's see 11 popular trends in bathroom plumbing for the year 2022. First is use of spa elements. Second, luxury finishes and expensive bathtubs. Third, walk-in showers and wet rooms. Fourth, multiple shower heads. Fifth, old-fashioned bathtubs and vanities. Sixth, quartz slab sinks with chunky designs. Seventh, more storage space bathrooms. Eighth, smart toilets. Ninth, simple yet elegant lights fixtures. 10th, high-tech bathroom designs. And here we go with number 11. Use of designer wash basins. Thank you for watching and supporting us.